Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2 to 75 largest combination with the bitwise and greater than 0, and in this the bitwise and of an array is nums is the bitwise and of all the integers in nums. For example, for nums 1, 5, 3, the bitwise and is equal to 1 and 5 and 3, that is 1, and also for nums equal to 7, the bitwise and is 7 only. Okay, and we are given an array of positive integers candidates, and we are evaluate the bitwise and of every combination of number of candidates, and each number in candidate may only be used once in each combination, and we have to return the size of the large combination of candidates with bitwise and greater than 0. Okay, for example, we are having the candidates as 16, 17, 71, 62, 12, 24 and 14. So the maximum bitwise and we will be getting is from 16, which will be having a bitwise and of 16, and so basically the combination is 16, 17, 62 and 24, which will give us the maximum bitwise and we can find by using the combination, and that is 16. Okay, so that, and the length of this combination is 4, so that's why we have written 4. Okay, so let's have answer variable, uh, and answer that is equal to 0, and then we'll be traversing for each bit what is the maximum answer we can find. So for int I equal to 0, I less than 32, and I plus plus, and then what we'll be doing is I'll be having a count variable which is equal to 0, and then we'll be traversing in the candidates. So let's say int num in candidates. I'll be checking that if num and 1 by shifting it to the ith bits. If this is not equal to 0, I'll be incrementing my count plus plus, and after this I'll be updating my answer as the maximum of answer comma count, and at the end I'll just return my answer. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.